Good morning, friends. It is often asked in Google Meet that how to blur the background of the meeting. It is a requirement for a presenter sometimes to blur his or her background so that the participants or the students are more focused towards him. There is no direct feature in Google Meet till now to directly blur the background, but still we can add that effect to Google Meets by adding an extension. So today I will show you how to add that extension and blur the background of your Google Meet as a presenter. So for that you have to open your Google Chrome. Now as you can see here, these colored dots are there which tells you to show apps on the leftmost corner. Just have to open it, or otherwise you have to go to directly search from the Google. You directly search Google Web Store. Now you can see here there are many apps which are pre-installed for, in my case, right? You may not have these installed in your Google browser, but this will be there. The first icon will be there, Web Store. So just click on that Web Store, come to the Google Web Store. Now here you can find that extension. To find that extension, what you need to do is you simply search right here in the search bar. Just type blur Google Meet background blur. As soon as you are writing that search keyword, it will show you two of the extensions which are very important for blurring the Google Meet background. The first one is background blur for Google Meet, and the second one is visual effect for Google Meet. Let me explain these two first, and then we will add them. The first one will be just blur. It will just blur the background of your Google Meet environment. The presenter's background will be blurred. So any unwanted things that the presenter does not want to reveal to his participants, that can be just removed out by blurring the background. Whereas the second one here, the second one, visual effects for Google Meet, you can set up any background from the selected list of backgrounds for the presenter, so that his normal background or his home background will not come. So you can choose from a list of given good backgrounds, colorful backgrounds. You can choose one of them. So I will use now both of them. I will add up to my Google extension, this extension, to my Google Chrome browser. So to add them, simply see here on the right side of it, there is a button called Add to Chrome. Just click on Add to Chrome, and it will say that, it will ask you that you want to add the background blur for Google Meet. So here you can cancel out or add extension. So just click on Add extension and the extension will be added. Now you can see a pop-up menu will show you how that extension button looks like. So there you have that extension button. So whenever you want to blur your background of Google Meet, just click on this button and it will blur your background. I will show you how it is done. Now let us add the second one, the visual effect for Google Meet. So just click on Add to Chrome. It will again ask your permission. Just click on Add extension and it will add. Again it will show you pop-up and it will show you the icon over there on your browser menu, okay, and clicking on which you can add visual effects to your Google Meet. These two buttons will be activated only when you are going for Google Meets. So now let us try once and see whether we are successful in blurring our Google Meet backgrounds or not. So for that I will just log on to my Google account, Gmail account. Now here you can see that I do have one uh, meeting button over here. So I will start the meeting, and I will try to blur my background, right? So just click on start the meeting. Now you can see that I have a background which is showing up my current background, right? Now I want to blur it out. So to do that, what I have to do is I have to simply, so I will join, first I will join. So I have joined, right? Now to blur this background, now you can see here there is button. Now a button is appearing over here, blur off, right? There is a button called blur off. This is due to the fact that you added that extension. Now I'm going to just blur my background. So blur on. Now I'm owning the blur. Now you can see that there is a minimize and maximize button. So you can just blur up to the extent you want. So for example, I want to blur it out to the most. So I can just blur it out so that my current background will not be shown, right? So I will be shown sitting just before this background, but my background will be hidden from the viewers or the participants. So this is how we can affect the background. The blurring option can be used, right? Now let me show you how to insert different types of background so that you can just have a new type of background if you want, in case you want, right? So let me show you that thing. So to do that, what you have to do is you just minimize it, minimize your Meet, go to Google Chrome and click on this button, visual effects button, and as you can see here it is showing you visual effect but version 3.0, right? Now let me come back to my this one. Okay, so now let me show you the effect of blur. As you can see, now the blur is off, and you may observe just behind me these are the things which are focused, right? And you want them to be blurred out. So for doing that, just you see here on the screen, due to that extension that we added, this blur off option has came. So I will just quickly click on that so that I can just blur out this backgrounds. So now just let me click it out, and bingo, here you go, no background is there, you can present. So this is one of the features of Google Meet extension, the background blur extension, that you may use and in while taking your classes, right? Now let me show you one more important extension that I want, that is very helpful, and that is related to taking the attendance of children's while taking class, right? While taking class, we are often concerned about whether all the children have attended or not, and it is not possible for us to just go through each and every children and find out whether they are there in the class or not, right? So for that reason, what is to be done is I will add one extension now which will allow you or help you to take the snapshot of all the peoples who are in the Google Meet, and it will take their names, it will collect their names and IDs whoever is attending. So you, as soon as you are clicking on that extension button, it will take the capture the attendance. So you can capture the attendance while you are in starting your class, or in the mid of your class, or when you are going to end your class, right? At these 3 points you may just click on that button and take attendance. So let me show you how to do that. So back to our desktop, back to the Chrome, back to the Chrome Web Store. Just as I have told you earlier, you just have to type here in the search box attendance, right? And as soon as you are typing attendance or Google Meet attendance, just see here the second one, this one, the tick, Google Meet attendance, right? So you can just add it to your Chrome browser, right? It is the simple way to just collect or record who are the attender of your meeting, right? So there are two of them, one is this one also, so you can use any one of them. Let me choose first this one, and let us see how it acts. So I am just adding it out. Just click on add extension, and this will create your Google Meet attendance, right? It is added. Just you can see a tick is appearing over here, and it shows, notifies you that the Google Meet attendance is added. Now let me find out whether it is helpful or not. Okay, so while taking the class, now what you can do, I will just start my class again, so that we can show it how we can take the attendance. So I will rejoin. Okay, now you can see here it is showing me thanks for installing my extension, and it is showing you all those things, right? Class list is being shown here, right? You can add your class list name, whatever you want, you can just add it, okay? Or just you can click and go for it, right? So don't close it, just be there. So next, setting up your classes, starting the meet, taking the attendance. It is showing you how to use those features, right? So first you have to start your meeting, and then you can show the field again by clicking on the check mark. So you have to click on check marks, right? So let me try it out and show it to you, this feature. So let me just find out whether we can do it or not. So I'm joining it. Okay, now you see here one new button has appeared, right here. It was not there before. So what to do next? I will simply yeah, now you can see more options are coming here, right? Visual effects, that last plugin that we have added, or for blurring, for bubbles, right? If I'm clicking bubbles, it will show a background with bubbles or something like that. You can blur your backgrounds. Okay, blur your backgrounds, so it will be blurring your background or whatever you are. So if you are not sitting in a comfortable position, then you can blur yourself. And background blurring is there, so blur hata dijiye, background blurring is there, bubbles hata dijiye. Now I think the first extension is quite good in use, so you may just omit this extension and use this one. Okay, and blur your background to the maximum, right? It will blur your background as you are taking class, right? Now let me show you the background is now blurred. How to take attendance? Now you can just click on this tick button over here, right? Just click on this tick and your attendance will be captured. Now I don't have any participant over here, so it is not taking any attendance. Otherwise it will just prompt you to save your attendance somewhere, right? So just check out these features. These are the cool features and will help you in the taking class. Thank you. Keep watching. Visit channel and subscribe to it.